This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Eletha Williams. Looking for a 4-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home? Look no further. This home offers an open floor plan off the living room, kitchen and dining. Huge front yard with connecting backyard offers privacy and space for entertaining, landscaping or whatever your heart desires. Quiet neighborhood, located conveniently to I-64, grocery stores and shopping, airport, bases, etc. Don't miss out. Motivated seller. For more information, review the details below or contact Eletha Williams at 757-480-2121.